GoWISE Power Pure Sine Power Inverter 3000W Continuous 6000W Surge, 12 volts DC to 120 volts AC with black and red cables with ring terminals, remote switch, 5 kinds of protection systems and 4 output sockets. Ideal use in cars, vessels, and for power failure emergencies and maximum efficiency with computers, sensitive equipment, and more. 5 protection systems. Thermal protection, overload protection, over-voltage protection, under-voltage protection, low-voltage protection alarm. Total harmonic distortion, THD, less than 3%, soft start low interference tech and temperature control cooling fan. Output voltage, AC 120 volts, frequency, 60 Hz. Before purchasing, check the maximum amperage of the intended battery. It is the responsibility of the consumer to be knowledgeable on the specifications of the battery and its compatibility with GoWISE power inverters. If unknown, we recommend reaching out to the battery manufacturer. Top reviews from the United States. Runs my window AC with no problems. PowerTech on 3000/6012V inverter. The 7th of August 17 initial setup and testing. Set up with 4 Trojan T105RE batteries in 12V configuration. Using 0/1 AWG wire and lugs. From the batteries to the inverter is 3 feet. Positive LED has a 250 amp fuse and 300 amp disconnect. Turned on 12V and then the inverter. Kilowatt meter showed 115V. Connected a 1/2 heavy-duty Black & Decker drill. The inverter didn't even know it was there. Next up, a 700-watt microwave oven. Same results, the inverter powered the microwave oven happily. Now for the big one, a small GE window AC unit. Rated surge at 9.5 amps, running on high 4.5 amps per the label on the side of the AC. Connected up, flip the switch to high cool and away the AC unit went, dumping cold air. I let it cycle a few times and every time it started back up, there was no issue. I did not have to use the slow startup process. The inverter was fully running, surged to 9.5 amp, and then dropped to 4.5 amp for continual run. Those who are having trouble with this inverter running heavy loads either have a defective unit or they are using incorrect wire size length. I learned really quickly about how important wire size is with low voltage DC. I have a duct fan that at about 3 foot of 10 Aruban Florins wire runs like a screaming eagle. I put it on 12 foot of the same wire and lost around 20% of the fan's capability. The fan pulled 6 amps. If you're going to run anything that will use the full potential of this inverter, you cannot use the included DC cables, they are much too small.